Tradelle versus Zendrop. Which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's jump right into the comparison. Today, we're comparing Tradelle and Zendrop, two popular tools in the dropshipping world. If you're trying to decide which one is the best fit for your business, stick around as we break down their features, who they're designed for, and the pros and cons of each. Starting with Tradelle. This platform is focused on product research and supplier management. Tradelle excels in helping users find trending products and connect with reliable suppliers through its supplier verification system. This feature is crucial for anyone looking to avoid common dropshipping challenges like poor product quality or unreliable shipping times. Tradelle's interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to filter and select suppliers based on quality, pricing, and other important factors. It's a great option for dropshippers who prioritize control over their supplier relationships and want to ensure they're offering high-quality products. Now, let's look at Zendrop. Zendrop is designed with efficiency and scalability in mind. One of its standout features is the automated order fulfillment process, which significantly reduces the time and effort required to manage orders. Zendrop also offers a branding feature, allowing you to add custom logos and packaging to your products, which is a huge plus if you're looking to build a strong brand presence. Additionally, Zendrop provides fast shipping times, particularly for US-based customers, thanks to its network of US warehouses. This makes it an attractive option for those targeting the US market and wanting to ensure quick delivery. Who are these platforms for? Tradelle is ideal for dropshippers who want to focus on product quality and supplier reliability. If you're someone who prefers a hands-on approach and values having control over the sourcing process, Tradelle is a strong choice. Zendrop, on the other hand, is perfect for those who are looking to scale quickly and efficiently. If you want to streamline your operations with automation and offer fast shipping to your customers, especially in the US, Zendrop is a great fit. The added branding capabilities also make it appealing for those looking to differentiate their store from the competition. Pros and cons? Tradelle offers excellent control over the supplier selection process, which is great for ensuring quality, but it might lack some of the advanced automation features that make scaling easier. Zendrop provides powerful automation and faster shipping options, but it might be less ideal if you want a more curated, hands-on approach to selecting products and suppliers. Final verdict. If your priority is building a high-quality, reliable store with carefully selected products, Tradelle is the platform for you. However, if you're aiming for efficiency, scalability, and branding opportunities, Zendrop is likely the better choice. Both platforms are strong in their own right, so the best option depends on your specific business goals. That's it for this comparison. Check the links in the description for more details on each platform. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons in the dropshipping space.